Hi guys, today we're doing a try-on haul of a bunch of clothing I have gotten recently. All of these pieces were sent to me for brand deals on Instagram. This video is not sponsored by any of these brands, but is sponsored by Dossier. So we'll get back into that, but let's just start with the clothing haul. I feel so freaking lucky that this is a reality for me. The first piece is this green leather jacket. This is from the Jacket Maker. It's definitely like very heavy weight, so I don't think I can honestly like wear this right now. Like I'm gonna have to wait until the fall to really be wearing this. It's so cool. It's such a statement piece. It's got like a ton of pockets. It even has like pockets on the inside. Next up, I got this dress from Disturbia. It's so pretty, so flowy, just like a fairy type dress, and it doesn't like accentuate curves or anything, so I feel quite comfortable in this actually. Sometimes I really wish I had dresses that I really like to wear, and this one is definitely gonna be like a go-to if I want to feel fancy. I usually judge brands based on like who I know is following them. Like I judge their vibe based on that, so like what's the vibe of the person I know who's following them. And so this is like the goth girls. I also got a belt from them, but it doesn't fit me, so I'm gonna give it to one of my friends. I had to like pin it so that it would fit in the video I did for them. And then these, which I have been wearing like so much. They're super comfy, just cool looking. I love all the details. I love the spikes, the chains, the like stitching on the Velcro strap. Definitely chunky platforms. They're dirty because I wore them in a rainstorm. I was so pissed, but honestly I don't mind the look of it now. They just look like broken in. But I've been wearing these a lot in my outfit, especially if I'm wearing shorts, because they're so chunky and big that it helps my ankles not feel super skinny.
Dossier makes high quality luxury inspired fragrances. Think brands like Juliet's Got a Gun, Gucci, Tom Ford, Dolce & Gabbana. They've got a lot of scents inspired by some of the most famous scents without the designer markup.
So the scent I'm going to be styling today from Dossier is called Aquatic Lime. This is one of my favorite scents from them. I wear this all the time. It's kind of giving me leather vibes, and it's too hot for a leather jacket, so I'm probably gonna do my leather shorts. We'll just go from there. These are my leather shorts. I adore them. I think they look really cute from the front. From the back, however, it's just not flattering. Like I kind of don't understand. I'm gonna do these chunky black platform shoes. They just feel right with the shorts. I'm gonna pair it with this butterfly shirt. You'll see it again later in the video. I just feel like the colors in this really match the vibe of the scent. This shirt is also like so good at hiding my chest for like no reason. Think about the graphic just like makes it disappear. I feel very cute in this. I also want to try this with jeans, however, just to give it a little more of like a masculine vibe, because the scent is definitely a masculine scent. Don't get me wrong, this is still pretty andro, but I just want to like lean into the masculine energy a little bit more, and the shorts don't help with that. This shirt and these pants go so well together just because like the colors in the shirt perfectly reflect the pants. I started reaching for my tote bag a lot more recently. Like I was always having trouble with my tote bag like falling off my shoulder, and it was just because it was like jacket season. But with a t-shirt, it stays on your shoulder. It's very convenient. I can take my like Kindle and stuff. Basic boy basic boy vibes. And this is my final outfit inspired by Aquatic Lime. If you want to get a nice smelling scent but you don't want to spend a lot of money, check out Dossier with the link in my description. If you have any Dossier scents, let me know, because I want to know how many of you guys have the Dossier scents, because I'm like constantly talking about them. Tell me what you have if you have one. I want to know, because I want to know if I have it too, so I can smell it and know what you smell like. That's weird, but I don't care. Let's return to the rest of the video. Next up is stuff from the shop called Sixth Dimension. I've been aware of them for a while, and so I got 2 tops from them. They just released this design. Oh, look at that hand on her shoulder. I love how like whimsical and kind of weird all of the stuff from this brand is. This shirt is so soft. I love it. And then the other one I got is this mesh top with sort of this funky blobby face design on it. This is called the Chibi Mesh top. And they also sent some stickers and a keychain. They actually sent me 2 keychains, and I gave one to my friend, so that was super nice. The one thing I will say about the shop is it's just not very size inclusive. Like I was having trouble like worrying about if something was gonna fit me, and I'm usually like a woman's large, but I need things to be a little bit bigger on me so they're not hugging my curves a lot. That's the main concern for me. It's less about squeezing in and more about like feeling comfortable. Can you see the piles of clothes in my background behind me? I'm covering them. Next up There's this brand called Nev Studio, which I'm not gonna say my thoughts. I have this pair of jorts from them. It should have gone up before this. I posted a styling video, styling jorts, and this is in there. They're kind of like crazy. I love how long they are. I've been wanting a really long inseam jort for a while, honestly, for like 8 months probably. He's got like fun streamer bits. I don't know. The back pockets are fake. And then from them I also got this pink hoodie, which I'm thinking about giving to one of my friends. I'm still deciding. I need to wash it to make that decision because it's feeling a little like too new and soft right now. Like, I'll explain better in a second. This is what the design is. I think it's so cute. Like, so cute. I just love it. I got it in like a size like extra large or something, so it was really big. But I have this thing with soft fabrics where if a fabric is too soft, it like makes me feel uncomfortable. And this is like low-key too soft for me. Like, I have trouble holding it, so I probably am gonna have to give this to one of my friends. But it's really cute otherwise. Can you see that? Oh my god. This happened to me earlier. I should have known better. And then lastly, I have some stuff from Aelfric Eden. Got them 500,000 views for a gifted collab. This is the story of my f***ing life. It's okay. We live in the moment. I feel like the coolest thing I got from them is this jacket. I got this in a size small, actually. I was like looking at the measurements on the website. I didn't want it to be too big for me. I feel like I could have gotten a medium, but the small fits me really well. Back is like cool. I mean, it's fire. It's awesome. I can't get over it. It's so cool. And then I got 2 shirts from them. So the first one is this one I've been wearing like every day. It's like my new at-home shirt. It's like so, I mean, I want to say soft, even though I just said that like soft fabrics like annoy me. It's different. This is like smooth, if that makes sense. And I just love it. And it's huge. It's so big. It goes like halfway down my thighs. And then the other shirt I got is this one with a butterfly on it. Made Aelfric Eden on the back. Also, it's a heavier weight fabric. Like it's like there are 2 layers of fabric, and this hides my boobs so well. The structure of it just doesn't hug my boobs at all. And this one is a little too big for that to work. Like, there's too much fabric hanging down, but this one works really well for that. This is a size large, I want to say. Yeah, this is a size large and this is a size extra large. And then I got these shorts from Aelfric Eden. Also, you can find these shorts other places. I think they just fill out their inventory with various different like sourced garments. A lot of brands do that online. Not saying it's a good thing. Okay. I've been wanting these shorts for like a year, so I'm glad I got the opportunity to work with them because I got to finally get these shorts. And these were also in my jorts styling video. And then lastly, well, I did get another pair of jeans from them, but they are so atrocious. They're so bad. I'm not gonna wear them. I'm going to turn them into something else. I'm thinking about making a bag with the fabric. And the last jeans I got from them are these. These are basically like, they have like a wavy cut to them. I was kind of worried about how that would look. It just makes the jeans look like really nicely baggy. So I love these. I've worn these a lot since I got them. I don't really have a baggy light wash pair of pants. I have a light wash pair of like mom jeans, but they're too tapered at this point. Like, I can't do tapered pants anymore. These have definitely taken the spot. Oh, from Nev Studio, I also got this little butterfly necklace. I can slide this over so it'll be right, but it's just gonna take some effort. Butterflies, cute, right? It's cute. I like it. I don't recommend that you buy it though, because the metal is just like not high quality. I can tell it's probably gonna break after a couple wears. I think that's everything. I have a new pair of headphones coming tomorrow that I'm excited about, but otherwise that's it for the new clothing. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was just like a little fun, like let's just look at some clothing together. My camera's about to stop recording, so like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. You hear the sirens? Always sirens.